everyone, welcome back to Say Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap Histories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke nge-Italy scanner guys, sikhuluma nge-storyline sika Libone noma ke umalume kaDlehlogi kanye ke noLihle. Well guys, kuba sengazuthi ke kukhulu ke kuzokwehlela ke uLihle. Abanye abantu bacanga ukuthi ke this guy is working with iPsycho ubusisiwe lawyer oyekade ufuna ukuyiphindisela kunhloso, but ke mina I'm thinking guys ukuthi this guy, it's either he's a rapist or uyakidnap abantwana, because I once heard him speaking with the person who normally calls him ethi kuye no ngiyalungisa yazi kusekuzolunga ngisahlanganisa izinto. So I'm thinking guys ukuthi maybe lo muntu lo ukidnapping ngani zamantombazane sesincane bahambe boyidayisa for whatever reasons, you know. And ke guys uLihle akaboni. Last time uBhotsotso utshela ubhuti wakhe ukuthi hayibo kuna situation ekanje nje la, ngiyacela ukuthi uthi yabo ucheckisise wathi hayi no uLihle uhamba umhlanga uyahlola uLihle ngingaze ayenze lonto leyo, she's not a kind of a person. Ngapha uLihle guys ubusy ke uthumelana nezithombe, uthumelana lelikhehla ke elibona. So today guys they will meet and uLibone uzomtshela ke uLihle ukuthi hayi ke ungabusangibiza ngomalume manje, remove that igama elithi malume ushiye uLibone, because mina ke igama lami nguLibone and bekade ngisabolo ngitshela ukuthi ngubani ngibanjwe igwababa, but nje here I am, it's me. Let the game begin guys. So we're about to see ukuthi kahle kuzokwenzekalani, but nje le relationship nje ekhona izoxabanisa ke uDinhle imxabanise ke noMadlomo, bese ngazi ukuthi uDinhle udayise ngengane somehow yabo. So yeah guys, kusazoba nzima ngampela, because uLihle base ngathi akayibona idanger, udala bembonisa uBhotsotso bethi hayi bosisi lo ndlela ayihambi, ayekho umfana ongakwenzela ukuthi nokuthi ebese nga expect anything in return. Simbone guys izolo yena ke ulibona ukuthi ke uhlangane nentombi akakhona nokuthi azayenze lutho, because ifocus yakhe ikulezi ingane esasencane as vulnerable. So asazi ke guys, and when I was checking ama teasers ango October kuyavela ukuthi ke kunento ke eyenzeka kuHlogi esaseyingane, so it will come back to her mind. So guys, I'm thinking ukuthi ke into yaxabanisa ke umama kaHlogi nobhuti wakhe yena lo, because engazi ukuthi bakhule bengahlangene ngalo ndlela. He just came and uHlogi naye she was not questioning a lot of things. Ngapha umdala ukhona guys, bahlala bonke and nobody sees ukuthi there's a problem with this guy until enza something kuLihle which is a target yakhe. So guys, asazi ukuthi kahle yini lezo wenzelwe ubhuti, but nje I can tell you ukuthi akukho right. Kusazomshubela uLihle ikusasa lakhe kuningi lapho bhala nama exam ke guys. So nje it's a lesson learned ukuthi don't speak to the strangers, abantu ngabazi uzothatha iselfone yabo. Cha guys, no. But anyway, do leave your comment guys below and share your opinion ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi ithini lento, isithini story salobhuti lo Libone lo odoji kangaka, ufunani kuLihle, yini ayifuna kuLihle ngampela, uzomkidnapper noma ke uyadlungula? Cha, I don't know. Bye.